KAF Manufacturing Company is a unique precision machining facility headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut. Our skilled craftsmen are recognized nationally for their workmanship and the quality parts they build. Customer-supplied 3D models are quickly transformed into machining programs. We utilize advanced technologies to provide innovative and cost-effective quality solutions for our clients and truly want to be your partner in precision. We have developed an expertise at KAF in the following technologies: electric discharge machining using wire, ram, and small hole EDMs, single point diamond turning, precision ball and roller bearing modification to OEM specifications, laser marking, as well as CNC turning, milling, and grinding. At KAF Manufacturing, we cover all aspects of electric discharge machining. Our wire EDM department includes 3 Sodic CNC linear wire EDM machines, which enable us to cut 12 inches thick under the water and hold tolerances not achievable by many other processes. Our 3 conventional EDMs, also known as RAM type, are computerized and numerically controlled, and all have automatic electrode changers. With electrode holding equipment such as System 3R mounted on our indexers, lathes, millers, and grinders, we can create very precise electrodes. Electrodes need to be created and sharpened, as well as often recreated, as they are consumed in the process. To support these machines, we also have a Sodex CNC high-speed small hole burner, which allows small holes and start holes to be cut at a high speed in difficult-to-machine materials like carbide and heat-treated workpieces. Our single-point diamond turning machines are capable of generating complex higher-order shapes that include aspheric and spherical surfaces, ellipsoids, hyperboloids, and paraboloids. Ultra-precision electro-optics and precision mechanical components are machined using the latest technologies available. These ultra-precise diamond turning machines produce highly reflective surfaces on aluminum, copper, brass, electroless nickel, and plastic workpieces. We also machine reflective surfaces in crystal materials such as germanium, zinc sulfide, zinc selenide, and silicon. Large parts can be machined to exacting standards using the extremely rigid Precitech Nanoform 350. Utilizing specially designed natural diamond cutting tools, highly reflective mirror surfaces are produced to sub-micron dimensional tolerances. The machining of interrupted cuts is a non-issue due to the rigidity of the system. These machines allow the scientist, optical designer, and engineer to design systems that work in the infrared, visual, and ultraviolet wavelengths. Utilizing the Zygo interferometric GPI and the Zygo New View Surface Profiler, we can assure the customer of conformance to specification. KAF is a leader in the field of anti-friction bearing rework, including precision ball and roller bearing modification. We work with most bearing manufacturers and distributors and many end users. Many special bearing requirements can be filled using a standard bearing that is modified to include the required special feature. Bearings that arrive at KAF for modification are handled the same way they would be handled in the factory of the original bearing manufacturer. We offer assembly of purchased parts as well as manufactured components, and also provide metal finishing, painting, heat treating, and special packaging. Often the final stage of building a part or part assembly is part marking, serialization, date coding, and bar coding of special part numbers. To facilitate this, we have several ND-YAG laser systems at KAF and can laser mark flat surfaces and curved surfaces and provide rotary marking as well. Many customers have us laser mark their logos and patent numbers on many of their parts. KAF Manufacturing's turning department is one of a kind. We can bar feed and chuck diameters as small as 1 millimeter. The largest diameter we can bar feed or bar pull is 3 inches. For chucking work, we can chuck a 15-inch diameter and swing a 21-inch diameter. The turning department has onboard programming that is supplemented by an offline programming system known in the industry as Esprit, a product of DP technology. Some of the CNC lathes here at KAF have sub-spindles, allowing work to be transferred to a rear spindle for further processing. Some of these multitasking lathes have milling capabilities with live tools that work on both spindles. With regard to CNC milling, some machines are 3-axis and some are 5-axis, and all of them have some form of onboard programming available allowing for 3D visualization of the work being programmed, and a tool management system. Some machines also have in-process probing systems, permitting the work to be inspected in the machine during the manufacturing process. Several of the CNC milling machines at KAF are pallet loaders, where the entire table is exchanged for a fresh table when the work is complete. Most milling machines have work-holding fixturing for multiple workpieces to maximize the use of a tool once it's in the spindle. Some of the smaller CNC lathes have bar feeders that can handle a 12-foot bar, while others use a magazine feed system that loads shorter bars. These machines also have programmable parts catchers coupled with the bar feeders. They provide for unattended operation when the process permits. The fourth axis can be a simple indexer, or it can be a true fourth axis. We have both types here at KAF, and the programmer can graphically depict and demonstrate the rotary action to expedite the manufacture of complex shapes. High-speed milling on some of our CNC machining centers with look-ahead function permits high metal removal rates while preserving the finish and dimensional demands of the product requirement. At KAF, we are experts in the regrinding of roller-bearing raceways. We use Kellenberger grinding machines that complement a collection of CNC rotary surface grinders and several conventional surface grinders. Flatness requirements are often outside the realm of milling, facing, or grinding. We have free abrasive flat lapping, both conventional abrasive and diamond abrasive. For those lapping projects that also call for parallelism as well as flatness requirements, we have double-side planetary lapping as well. Our slurries are prepared at KAF and delivered to the lapping surface via a computerized pumping station. Size control is automated by virtue of a computer-monitored position probing system. We have the inspection equipment necessary to measure the flatness and parallelism achieved. Every part undergoes a thorough inspection. We utilize a fine collection of the very latest inspection tools on either the shop floor or at our inspection lab. We have multiple CNC coordinate measuring machines, video coordinate measuring machines, and circular geometry measuring machines. KAF Manufacturing Company, fully equipped and staffed to meet the needs of the biomedical, medical, scientific, analytical, aerospace, machine tool, semiconductor, and commercial sectors. KAF Manufacturing, your partner in precision.